Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You're standing in a field of vibrant flowers, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. In this moment, you realize that practicing self-love is the key to unlocking your true happiness and fulfillment. Today, I want to share with you 5 essential tips for cultivating self-love, empowering you to become your own best friend and champion. Tip 1. Embrace yourself, flaws and all. Let go of perfection. Tip 2. Prioritize self-care. Nurture body, mind, and soul. Tip 3. Speak kindly to yourself. Positive self-talk is transformative. Tip 4. Set boundaries. Surround yourself with positive influences. Tip 5. Celebrate successes, big and small. Acknowledge your growth. Embrace self-love's power. Follow these tips daily. You deserve love, care, and happiness. Fuel your growth, believe in your worth. What are you waiting for? Start now, unleash your limitless potential. Happiness awaits. Subscribe for more tips.